How to add bank account to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add your bank account to Uber Eats. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start with opening the Uber Eats application. Once you are here on this page, your interface will be somehow like this on your screen. Now click on bottom right corner that says account. Now here you can see three different options at the top of your screen. Click on the second one, wallet. Now again under the payment methods, here you will see the option of add payment methods. Click on it. Now in order to add the bank account, click on bank account option. After that, here you will be directed to a new page. Here now you need to agree to let the Uber use link to connect your bank account. So simply click on that green button, agree and continue. Now you need to log in into your account in order to connect your account to Uber using link. Once you enter your email address, click on continue with link. Now follow the screen prompts and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can add bank account to Uber Eats. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.